Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Netflix series about cars that every car enthusiast should binge watch during lockdown season. Number 1, Hyperdrive. A show that at times you have to remind yourself to breathe. Highs and lows, tears, laughter and everything in the emotional spectrum is here to be experienced. Number 2, Formula 1, Drive to Survive. Entertaining. Absorbing. Emotional. You get to understand what it takes to be a F1 team and a few driver. The footage of the races are some of the best. There isn't a minute that will get you bored. A must for a sports fan. Number 3, Car Masters, Rust to Riches. If you're a gearhead and or fan of reality TV, stream it. Even if you don't know a shock absorber from a lug nut. Car Masters is an enjoyable stream, but this show was created for a very specific audience. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.